So right now I'm catching the swarm, and I'm just gonna spray it with sugar just to get the bees a little bit more calm. They're gonna be really, they like this sugar water. They're real docile right now.
They don't sting you?
This is the most docile and gentle the bees will be when they're swarming. So, I don't think I'll get stung with this swarm, honestly, but you're getting ready to see how easy it is. I want to have to get them on the ground. And you said it's okay if I cut the limbs, correct?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
that's okay. You know, whatever you're going to do, we got to get them out.
So right now I'm just cutting the limb. Now I'm just gonna shake these in. They didn't like that.